Here we are looking at the s, p and d orbitals. Right on the left hand side, the yellowish one is your s orbital. In the middle we have our 3 p orbitals, and on the far right we have 5 d orbitals. So now we are showing them separate, but actually they are all together around the nucleus. So in a previous lesson you can see them all together. We are just showing them separate here so that we can see what they look like, but in reality they're actually all on top of each other together. Here we are looking at the s orbital. Normally when we draw an s orbital on paper, we just draw a circle, but you need to realize it's not a flat circle, it's actually a sphere. It's like a soccer ball. So interact with the model, swirl it around and turn it around, and you can see it has 3 dimensions. It's like a soccer ball. Here we are looking at the p orbitals. There are 3 of them. So each color represents one of them. So you can see here we have the pz, the blue one, and that particular p orbital are lying on the x-axis. Then we have the green one, and you can see it's the pz, so this particular p orbital are lying on the z-axis. Then we also have the py, the red color, and it's lying on the py axis. So we have 3 p orbitals, each lying on an axis. Here we are looking at the d, x, y orbitals, and you can see that these orbitals are lying between the x and the y axis. Here we are looking at the d, z, x orbitals, and you can see these orbitals are lying between the z and the x axes. Here we are looking at the d, y, z orbitals, and you can see that these orbitals are lying between the y and the z axes. Here we are looking at the d, x square minus y square orbital, and you can see that these orbitals are lying on 2 axes, which are the y-axis and the x-axis. So they are on top of those axes. Here we are looking at the d, z square axis, and you can see that most of the electron density are lying on the z-axis.